Superkids!
Sounds of animals! Hello, my friends! Today, we will put together these beautiful shapes and learn about animals. Let's see what they are hiding for us. Come on! Alright! We have 4 pieces here. We put this piece here. And this one here. And the last one goes here. Look at this cow and her little baby. They have a red window and a red door. And now, it's the turn of these pieces. Okay, we also have 4 pieces. Let's put them together. This is a big cat and a small cat. Wow! Alright, now let's assemble this one. Another 4 pieces. Assemble, assemble. And this one is here. Wow! A big dog and a small one in a lovely house. Now, the last bunch of pieces. Let's arrange them. Come on! We put this one here. And this one here. And the last piece. Cool! A big horse and her little baby. Wow! A beautiful family. Let's see what do we have here. Oh! A duck! Alright, we have to put it next to the other duck. Right here. I wonder where is this snail? Ah! It's right here. Yes! That's right! And this one is here? No! Here? No! Is it here? Yes! Look! They are similar. What about this one? Not here. Nor here. Yes! It's right here. Alright. And this picture? Is it here? No! It's right here. Good job, my friends. What about this sheep? Is it here? No! And not here either. Great job! It's right here. Now, a sleeping cat. Here is a dog. So, it's right here. And now the last piece. Oh, look how beautiful they are. I had so much fun with you, my friends. Goodbye.
Hey pals, did you like our video? Search for Superkids on YouTube. Don't forget to click subscribe. Subscribe!